I'm here to tell you today about this awesome jacket that I just picked up from Viking Cycles. It's called the Viking Cycle Motorcycle Cruise Jacket for women. This jacket is truly amazing. I've been out at night when it was 30 degrees outside. I've been out in the daytime on the freeway when it's 65 degrees outside. I'm never cold. It's fantastic. It has this little stretchy fit thing here that all the women love, so we have plenty of room to move around. It's got these really deep pockets here in the front. I literally put everything in there. My keys, my cell phone, my debit cards, even my garage door opener when I'm too lazy to dig into my bag for it. It has inner pockets, which I'm going to show you, that are actually pretty deep. I never really use them because I put everything in the front pockets, but they're pretty awesome. I have to say I'm very much in love with this jacket. It's my first official motorcycle jacket after picking up my bike, and I absolutely love it. You can check it out and the others that they have on motorcyclehouse.com/Viking-cycle. Thanks so much for watching.